Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Thrift Flip series. It's been 2 weeks since my last upload and I'm really sorry about that. PS, I'm sorry hindi ko siya pwedeng suotin or show it to you guys because I can't really wear them. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'm going to continue posting thrift flip episodes, so please anticipate. So I'm starting off with this pink top. I was thinking of making it a tube, but the details of this top is beautiful. That's why ginawa ko na lang siyang crop. So I measured the desired length to where I wanna cut. Hindi ko siya ginupit ng ganun kaikli para kasya sa kanya hanggang large or medium man lang. After cutting, I folded the raw edges and sew it to make it more professional looking. And lastly, the leftover fabric, I made it into a scrunchie. So it took me for about 2 hours or 3 hours because I was contemplating a lot. Next item is this plaid stripe long sleeve top. So the fabric is so thick, legit sobrang kapal ng fabric na to. So again, I measured to where I wanna cut it because I wanna make it cropped like katulad ng brandy. So yun, since the polo was long sleeved, I made it into a short sleeved polo. For my opinion, ang pangit lang kasi nang nakakita ka ng long sleeve instead of short sleeve. Mas cute siya pag short sleeve. Mas maganda kasi kapag short sleeve, at saka mainit dito sa Pilipinas. That's why I made it into a short. So I'm cutting now and putting aside the leftover fabric. So what I'm doing is folding the raw edges on the bottom and on the sleeve. So that the thread will not be a bit loose. Yung parang nag-ano siya, kumukupas. So I don't really want the thread to be falling off and sew them together. Like the first item, I made another scrunchie out of the leftover fabric. That's it, and we're done. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. So bye.